go to merchize.com. Enter ceramic ornament in the search box to find the product in our catalog. On the product page, click on the Download Template and Mockup button. Or you can click on the Template and Mockup tab to find the link to download the template file. You can use Photoshop or other alternatives that support smart object functions to open the downloaded templates. Now, we will use Photopea, a free online editing website, to create our design. Go to photopea.com, drag and drop the template to Photopea's workspace. For this product, each shape will have a different safe zone. First of all, let's turn on the text guide to see it clearly. To check the safe zone for each shape, turn on Safe Zone Group and click the drop-down to see all safe zone layers. Turn off all other layers and just leave the layers for the shape you want to create the design for. For this design, I will select the heart shape. Notice the dashed green line? This green line makes up the safe print area, and all of your important elements or text should be placed within this green line. Don't let your important details extend into this area. Your design should also cover the entire gray area. Don't leave the gray area blank if you don't want to show the material's texture. For the next step, let's fill all the areas on this template with your own designs. Ceramic ornament comes with two choices, one side printed and two side printed. If you only print on one side or use the same design for both sides, you create one design for each product. If you want two different designs for the front and back, you must create two design files using this template. If you are satisfied with how it looks, turn off the guide group and other unnecessary layers you don't want to include in your printed design. Now, you can save your file. On Photopea, click on File, select Export As, and choose PNG to export the file in a transparent format. On Photoshop, click on Save As or Save as a copy and choose PNG format. You can also click on Export, and choose Quick Export as PNG. From the same template and mockup link, open the mockup folder and download the PSD files. We have different mockup files for two versions, one side printed and two side printed. Select the mockup versions that match your design. You will find a PSD mockup file along with the preview images. Download the mockup file. Just like with template files, you can open mockup files in Photoshop or Photopea. After opening the mockup file, look to the right side of your screen. You will see the layer panel. Double-click on the Place Your Design Here layer to open Smart Object. On the new Smart Object tab, before adding your design for the mockup, turn off the example layer on top to reveal the template. Now you can fill this template with your own design. Or you can just fill this space with the design you have previously created with template file. Afterward, you should turn off the guide and other unnecessary layers. Then save Smart Object by holding Ctrl+S. Back to our files, you can see the design has been adapted to the mockup. Turn on the respective group to the shape of your design. If you want to change the background, open the drop-down and select one of the options under each group. For the two-side version, you can just add the designs for both sides and repeat the process just like with the one-side version. You can select among the different mockup options right here. Just turn on the mockup option you like. If you are satisfied with how your mockup looks, now you can save your mockup for your own use. Make sure to turn off all guide layers before saving your artwork. You have finished your template and mockup. It's time to upload your design to our fulfillment system and start selling.